I have a Hyundai Tucson here. I'm going to show you how to open the hood. First thing you're going to do is walk up to the driver's side. Right here where your left foot would be, just to the left of that, you're going to see this little hood latch. You're going to pull that towards you. You'll hear a pop in the front. You can go up to the front of the vehicle. And you're going to see the Hyundai symbol. You're just going to put your hand upside down, go straight in. You're going to lift up. Once that's up, you're going to see our hood holder here. We'll put that in place right there. And now that you have your hood open, if you need to put your windshield wiper fluid in, you're just going to come right over here. And then right here, you'll even see it says wet washer only. It's got a little windshield wiper spray coming up. You're just going to open this up, and you're just going to pour your windshield wiper fluid directly in there. Close it up when you're done and it's full. Hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you put the fluid under the cap that says washer only or has the spray coming out showing the windshield.